What's up everybody, I'm Vick Almighty, and for today's project, we got these French blue Jordan 13s that I picked up in Detroit Sneakercon. These shoes are beat, I got them for a great price. The reason I got them is because I haven't worked on a pair of 13s in a long time. The knowledge I'm gonna share with you guys today can be applied to any Jordan 13. Let's get started. Now these Jordan 13s aren't in horrible condition, but there are a lot of things that are wrong with the sneaker. For example, on the white leather, there's a lot of deep scratches all around on both sides. There's creasing going on, oxidation on the pods, the shoe is dirty inside and out. All of these issues are common things with Jordan 13s. Let's start with the cleaning. First things first, I'm gonna put the left shoe to the side and focus only on the right. Take out the laces and insole. Always hair. Now it never fails with these used shoes. On the insides that always have debris such as hair and lint, I'm gonna use a compressor to blow all that stuff out. To get the shoe fully cleaned up inside and out, we're gonna be using Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. This shoe's gotta go in the washing machine to get it fully cleaned out, specifically with the white sock liner. To start, I'm gonna put the shoe tree inside the shoe to eliminate the creasing. Then I'll squirt some solution into the bowl of water. To start this cleaning, I'm gonna be using the soft bristle brush on the insides and the outsides of the shoe. I'm gonna brush in a circular motion, get the suds going so I can start breaking down all the grime and dirt on the materials. The white leather and the soft liner look a lot better thanks to the soft bristle brush. Now I'm gonna be using the medium bristle brush to give the stitching on the white leather a deeper clean. I'm trying to get this as clean as possible. Once again, I'm gonna scrub in a circular motion till I see it back to white. Before I move on to the last brush, I'm gonna take care of the insole. Got the medium bristle brush, let's give it a good scrub. Last brush is a stiff bristle. I need to get the soles as clean as possible. These shoes are gonna go in or set up, but first I gotta scrub the dirt off. I just gotta be very careful and not scrub on the felt material because that will damage it. Last step I gotta take care of is the laces. For that, I'll be using the leftover water and solution. I'm gonna give them a good scrub. Then after that, we're gonna put everything inside a single laundry bag to put them in the washing machine. To the washing machine. Hopefully my new one's in. For the washing machine, all you need is cold water with the regular cycle, and of course, our Reshoevn8r detergent pods. All you need is one. Cleaning process is complete. Got them out the washing machine. I let them dry for a few hours. They're good to go. Overall, the shoe looks good. We removed the creasing from the toe box thanks to the shoe trees. The white leather is back to white. Same thing with the sock liner. We removed all the dinginess. The shoe is fully disinfected inside and out thanks to our Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. Moving on, we do have some yellowing on the pods. For this part, we're gonna be using two different things, the Vick 2000 and some Reshoevn8r Soul Revive. I'll apply Soul Revive to all the pods, put them in indoor setup for a couple hours, take it out, flip it to the opposite side. After that, everything should be back to white. It's looking great, you guys. We got all the yellowing completely off the pods. Everything's back to white. Let's keep it moving. We do have a lot of properties to take care of. We'll start with the white leather. On the inside, there's a lot of scuffing and scratches going on. First, I'm gonna use some acetone and cotton balls to wipe off the factory finish and smooth out some of the scuffing. After that, we'll lay down some tape. Prep is complete. On this side, I'm not gonna paint it. The scuffs wiped off nicely. However, on this side, it does need a paint job. But first, let's tape. All taped up, let's lay down some white paint with the airbrush. Paint job is nice and smooth. Now let's go outside and spray some matte finish to protect it. White leather looks great, now I'm on to the gray. Before I can lay down some new paint, I'm gonna use some sandpaper to sand down the scratches. We have some deep scratches on the side right here and on the front. For this part, I'm gonna be using 800 grit sandpaper. The reason why I'm using sandpaper is for two different reasons. One, instead of using acetone and cotton balls, the sandpaper will wipe off the factory finish. The second reason is to smooth down that deep scratch. If I don't do this step and just simply paint over the leather as is, the paint will crack off after a couple of wears and the scratch will still be noticeable underneath the brand new paint. Prep is done. Now I gotta make a custom color for this gray. Angelus does not make it. I'm gonna be using white, mist, light gray with some duller. I don't have specific ratios for this mix. I've never mixed it before. I'm just gonna start with white, add mist, a little bit of light gray, duller to remove the shine, and we'll go from there. All right, I think the color mesh is on point. Let's give it a shot. Good to go with the paint job. This is how you know the color mesh is on point. You can't even see where I painted it. Final detail I'm gonna take care of is a hologram bubble on the back. This is a common issue with Jordan 13s. They're always scuffed up in the back. To eliminate that, I'm gonna be using some Angelus high gloss finish and a paintbrush. Basically what I'm gonna do is lay down a couple of coats all around the plastic, dry it. After that, those scuffs should be completely gone. Details are complete. All that's left to do is to lace it up. All right guys, that's gonna bring us to an end on this restoration of these French Blue 13s. As you can see, there's a big before and after. The biggest difference is the pods. Originally, they were pretty yellow, and the shape of them, there was a lot of creasing going on, but using Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit and the Soul Revive, we brought these back to life. The cool thing about this project, all the stuff that I taught you guys how to do can be applied to any sneaker. It doesn't have to be a Jordan 13. You can find all our products at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code down below to save some money. Also, drop a comment down below on your favorite Jordan 13. Mine is easy, the Breads, classic. I'm still looking for restorations. If you have something good, send us an email. Before I leave you guys, here's a sneak peek for next week's restoration / custom. Right here, we got the Bread 1.5s that I just picked up. I hate this sole, so we're gonna give it a sole swap. Tune in next week to see how they turn out. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys on Monday. See you guys.